Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back at the job site. It's early in the morning. And I'm not trying to film a bunch today. I got a bunch of stuff to do. We got to paint the floor, the other half of the little cabin. We got to paint that today. We got to put the OSB up on top of the floor joist, kind of doing the stripe down the middle for us to walk on as we're doing like the roof rafters and stuff like that. So we're going to get all that done today. And if we have some time, we're going to try real hard to build that fire pit bench we keep talking about. So we want to get the bench built today, but we got this other job site stuff we got to get done first. I'm glad y'all are here. This is probably just going to be a short little video, but glad you're here. We're going to get to work. Alright guys, still got a little bit of this OSB decking to put on, but neighbor stopped by for a little visit, so we did take a break doing that, and now it's lunchtime. I'm gonna jump off here, get something to eat, and then we're gonna jump back up here, get this OSB done. Also gotta do a little bit of decking around the scuttle hole, which is right here in the hallway. Boom, right there. And then we'll probably clear this out and try to get some paint on this today. Glad you guys are still here, don't go anywhere. But we're gonna go eat a little bit of lunch real quick, and then we'll get back to work. All right, guys, lunch is over. I'm gonna jump back up top and finish putting this OSB decking on, and then we'll just go from there. Just throw it right here. That's good. Ready? Throw it. Got it. right, guys, we're going to clear all this stuff off of here, and we're going to cut out the bottom plates for the doors, the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. We're going to get that done, and then we're going to blow everything off, and then we're going to start painting this floor. So
don't go anywhere.
Stick around. All right, guys, Rob just got done blowing that off again. It's completely ready for the paint. We got everything cleaned up. We do have some visitors that's going to be showing up here shortly, so we want to wait until they're gone before we put the paint on here, because we're going to have to do a big walk around, all kinds of stuff. So I think we're going to jump off of the cabin and focus on building the fire pit bench that we've been talking about building for right here at the fire pit. So we're going to kind of get some tools over here, get them slapped up here on the table, and then we'll build a little bench. We've been talking about doing it for a while, and right now is the perfect time. So we're going to do that. Don't go anywhere. We still got more things to build. Glad y'all are here. Don't go anywhere. All right, get one more. So these are 48, so I'm gonna cut 46s.
So you're cutting your 12s off the outsides,
Yeah,
to leave the junk in the middle.
yeah. Basically, I mean, I could have cut this one and then measured again and cut that one. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But like, you're not just going to go 12 and then 24. I mean, I guess you could if you cut on this side of the line, but then you got to cut this one on this side of the line. So a lot of times if the board's kind of already short, I just take a measurement from here, take a measurement from here, and then the middle is a scrap or whatever. right, guys, Rob got all the painting done on the other half of the floor, so we got that done. We got the OSB decking done up top. We put a few more boards in. We cut out the bottom plates. We had visitors. We built a bench. We got all kinds of stuff done today. I don't know when we'll be back. We're supposed to be getting some crazy weather like winter storm and all that kind of stuff. But we'll be back when we get back. Really do appreciate you guys watching today. Do us a great, big, huge favor. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, man. What are you waiting on? Click on the notification bell. You'll get notified each and every single time I post a brand new video. If you liked any part of this video, give us a great, big, huge thumbs up like. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you got to do, guys. That's going to do it for this one. Really appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Water? We're bringing the Blackstone out here too, you know what I'm saying? We got to have a way to start cooking stuff. Maybe we can cook it on the fire. But my thought was this. Thank you. No, you're good. My thought is if we bring the Blackstone out here, we can start cooking some bacon and eggs, you know what I'm saying? We can start eating some bacon and eggs for lunch. And that's quick and easy to do, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, we're out of here. Appreciate y'all. Peace. Time to go home.